What I've learned over the years is that the best way to fix a problem is to prevent it from happening in the first place. This is especially true for elevators. The digital capabilities of Gen360 make it one of the most advanced elevators I have ever seen. The elevator system is constantly monitored and analyzed. At my end, I've got it all here on my tablet, so I can keep track of everything in real time. If someone asks me anything about the elevator's condition, I always have the answer. It's important for me. Sometimes I see that an event has occurred and has already been fixed without me noticing it. With Gen360 technology, remote experts take care of my customers around the clock. When a mechanic does have to come out, they already know exactly what they have to do and have all the right parts, which reduces the time my elevator's out of service to the absolute minimum. It's a huge relief and a big weight off my shoulders.